Hello and welcome back, everyone. We'll be doing everything about Google Overflow. Uh, with this, you will be learning everything what is necessary to be learned with Google Overflow. First thing first is you will be knowing to know how to apply the search engine. So for Kathmandu Valley, I want to know all the school with latitude and longitude. Then I can say all the school of Kathmandu Valley over here and then search it. Once I do that, you can see that the list of all Kathmandu Valley schools are available over here. So this is how we can find the school which has the name of Kathmandu Valley. Uh, and then to save it, it is very easier. You can go over here. And then you can see the list of all. And if you see over here, you have something over here to copy the current save file to result to my place. Then if you click on it, uh, it will give you the options. Okay, it has been saved to my place. If you go over here and here you can see all the school of Kathmandu Valley because I double click it. As a result of that, it has been double saved. You can see now there are all the list of schools that are available in Kathmandu Valley. So this is how we can do it. I just want to show you another example. Brick cleans of Kathmandu. If I do that, then it will automatically. Okay, so this is showing something else. Brick lanes of Kathmandu. Okay, then now you can see that it is highlighting the brick lane industries because I have also opened this. That's why it is not showing there. So you can see the wherever the industries are available, it is showing over there. You can try another like industrial industries in Kathmandu Valley, and then if you click over here, you can see the list of all the industries that are available in Kathmandu Valley. This is how we can do it. This is everything about the um, everything about point data. Now I'll teach you how to export this point data, and then you can visualize in QGIS. So all this cool list is here. You can right click, save place as, and then you can export it as a KMZ file. For short, for quick, I could put it as all school KTM, and then EMS. Okay, that's the thing. Now, if you want to make a beautiful map with this, you can just click on it, and then here it is. It is already labeled, well labeled, and now you can just do one thing with one click. Okay, I have other layer as well, so click 30. So with one click, you can make it as a map. You can just click over here, save as image, and now you can see the list of features and everything is over here, and then you can just put the title and export it. Since uh, I want this list, so I think something went wrong. They press preview. Okay. It's everything is right. Its feature name is this, so we need to make sure that its feature name is Kathmandu Wide School, and then you can directly make it convert it into map. This is how it work. Okay, just you need to put a title like Kathmandu schools, and then edit it. Since this all are the school, I can just delete all those features. Then write it as in school and And now when I save it as a image, and my Kathmandu Valley school map is very, let me go and off on it. Pretty good, right? So I need to write the description for your map, okay? Everything is there. North Hero is legend is here. And just I forgot to remove the description of a map, and then now everything will be changed. So this is how it works. So it's a simple way to make a map. You can also change the style. You can convert it as directly convert it here and export it. Uh, so this is the first step that I show you how to export as a image or how to create a quick map with Google Earth Pro. Now will be next step will be to create a polygon. So if you see over here, you can directly go and mark like I did it before for settlement. Like if I go put it over here and put its name as a MLMC, then it's a MLMC point, right? So we can have a settlement point like this. You can put it as much as you want. You can go over above here, and then you can put another name like Palchok. Okay, this is another settlement, and its name is Palchok. And if you want to make a group of list of it, and then you can put it separately, then you can make a new folder, add folder, and this name is settlement over here. And you can directly drag and drop these two file over here, and you can make it okay, let me close it first. Okay, this should be outside. You can put it over here. So this is outside now. So you can directly again convert it into map, like clicking on the uh, save image, or you can export it as a save places. You can export it as a KMZ file. Next step is to make a polygon. So sometimes you need to have a river line. So I just want to show you how to create a line. So you need a Melamchi river line, right? So then you can click on add path. You keep on pulling like this, lots of vertex on the line. It's very quickly. It is just draw it like this quickly, and then no matter how much point it is, just hold it and drag it, and then you can write it as a Melamchi river, and then you can put it outside of it and directly export a save place is okay. I call it density work candidate. Okay, so this is how you can draw the line over here, and then you can also make a map. Next step is you want to make a polygon of buildings. So here are the buildings, and then you can create a first step will be adding a folder. You create a folder named buildings. Once you create that folder, you can click on plus and try to make it same exactly match with this. You can play with this style, just keep outline, so you can understand where you made a distortion. Suppose I made a distortion on this point, so I can directly pull and put in a end point in this area. So this element fun. So this is how we can make it. So you can later you can export it as a save place as k MZ, and that KMZ file can be directly loaded in QGIS. This is how we can use Google Earth Pro on digitizing work. Another important thing of QGIS, sorry, Google Earth Pro is that you can see the time changes with the time. So you can, if you are working on a research work and you are working on a Melamchi River Basin, and you want to see how the river has been changed with duration of the time. You can directly digitize it is, and then you can also see the changes. So it is on 2025 this river look like this, but if you go in 2016 it look completely different. So you can see the width is not that much bigger. So there are uh, many houses near the river area. You can see this look like somebody is doing fish farming over here. This type of information we can extract with Google Earth Pro. This is very useful. You can just digitize it, mark it as a point data, and then you can have a good before and after report on different type of events that has been uh, impacting the river ecosystems.